Don't you like that? Apparently that's a rubber plant. And that's what they make. That's what they use to make rubber. I'm Carmela Antonio. I am a singer, songwriter, apparently coffee drinker. Bad poetry was one of those really special babies of mine. It kind of was a surprise project that I didn't think would turn out so great. It happened so, I don't know, so spontaneously. I finished doing a show, and Mike Schlosser, he was at my show, and he's my producer, and he, after everything was done, we were all having a really great time, and he had this great idea. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. He had this great idea to just be like, hey, what if we went back to the studio, like right now? And I was like, okay, sure. Working with Little Noise Records on Bad Poetry was a really great treat. It was a wonderful experience, and it's possibly, and I've been doing this a really long time, it's possibly one of the best experiences of my life, of creating something. When you're writing music, you're making a baby, and you know, you hope it grows legs, you hope it grows momentum, and working on Bad Poetry it felt so organic, and there were no egos. It was just pure, unadulterated, just, you know, creative vigor. It was really fun. It was really fun, and we were able to do it in a really short amount of time, and it was just a really great hangout almost. Like, it was a really awesome experience. There's a hole in my heart that keeps you running away, so I keep running away with you. I make sense of cheap lies in hopes that you